Hey guys, it's Dawson with VanDOit. I am here to show you this 2019 high roof due with a Quigley 4x4, so come around and take a look. So what we got here is the backwoods front bumper with a bull bar. We also have the winch with recovery points on the front there. As for the tires, we have the upgraded all-terrain tire upgrade with the Ultra Toil wheels. And on the back, we have the backwoods toolboxes for storage there. We also have the spare tire, and this is on a swing away. Alrighty, and so now moving on into the inside of the vehicle, we have the power tower here. So as you can see, we have a 2000 watt master volt inverter along with a 400 lithium amp hour power system. With that said, our features over here, we have a solar controller. We also have a panel of switches that are dimmable that are going to allow you to control the accent lights, the dome lights, cargo lights, water pump, even exterior lights. Moving on, we have a carbon monoxide detector along with your fuses and your nice remote controller for your max air fan. And really additional to the power tower, we have additional storage over here. So you can put blankets, pillows, shoes, anything that you want to store away. Lots of storage to go here. For your sleeping option, we have the foldable Murphy bed. So this can be in a full size or twin size as it is now. We could raise this up even a little bit, get a second bed underneath there, again, full size or twin size bed. So what's really nice about these, as you probably have seen before in the past, these can just fold right up out of the way so you can walk front to back in the van, or you could even just cut it in half to the twin size so you can walk front to back still, and you can get a lot of storage this way in the van. And for extra storage, we have hanging cabinets that can go over your bed. So this could even slide down a little bit more. We could get some over here on this side if you wanted. And as you can see, we have additional hanging cabinets over here on the other side of the van. So for your kitchen and living room area, we have a nice little TV. So if you want to watch March Madness basketball while you're eating a meal, I think it's the perfect setup. We also have the OG kitchen pod. So you have your sink in here, along with additional cubby storage space, and your slide out here on the bottom with your water, fridge, or whatever you would like to put down in there. So for your ventilation and your cooling, we have a DC AC, and because of the 400 lithium amp hour power system, this can actually run, as long as you're conservative, for a couple of days at a time. So if you're boondocking, this is going to be a really nice feature for you. So down here is going to be your S-bar furnace. The S-bar actually taps into your fuel tank, and it's going to take about a half gallon of gas over a 12-hour period, so it's very efficient. And like we said earlier, we have a carbon monoxide detector in here, so there's no worries. It's completely clean, but it does keep your van very, very warm. So here we have the Lagoon pivot table. What I really love about this feature is that you can use this swivel seat, this passenger swivel seat, turn it around, have your meal or your workstation or both up on the Lagoon pivot table while you're watching some March Madness on the Vizio TV there. So really great setup here. So the link to this van will be posted in the description below. If you are interested in it, please reach out to myself or one of our other van gurus, and we would be super, super stoked to build out your dream adventure camping van, so that way you can embark on your adventures ahead.